in 2014, I opened Compass Counseling, which was a satellite to the Compass Counseling in Wausau. And Tracy Peterson owns Compass Counseling. And then, was it almost 2 years ago, Dr. Nelson, he's getting older and he wants to slow down a little bit. It's hard to own your own practice and do all of those things. And I've known him for many years, so he said, do you want to buy this? And I said, sure. I already had the building.
It's a great
and
location.
So he closed his office and came over here.
I knew he was over there a long time because I know him and his wife. So.
Okay. Yeah, he opened that in 1988.
Yeah, a long time.
So that was a very long time ago.
That was over by me, I think.
Yes, it is.
On First, he's on First Avenue. Yeah. So
nice.
that's kind of how things change. We were in the chamber when I was Compass Counseling, and we were in the old Zerflu building, in a long, narrow office, and not much room, but we did it. I kind of opened on a shoestring. And then this building came up, and we purchased that, and then we came into clinical services, and we bought it in September of 2019, clinical services, and then wouldn't you know, COVID hits shortly after that. So then we weren't able to join the chamber for clinical services until things started to open up a little bit.
Sure.
Wonderful. So tell us a little bit about the services that you provide here for the public.
Okay. So the first thing is we offer an alcohol education program, and that's 1 weekend a month. People that are enrolled in that have to complete 16 hours. That is an alternative to a group dynamics course if somebody gets an OWI. Then we also provide mental health services from ages 5 and up. And then we provide substance abuse services. And that's all outpatient counseling. So Brenda is working on getting her substance abuse credentials. So then we'll have 2 dual therapists here. I'm a dual therapist.
Nice.
Yeah. So that's what we offer. We're here Monday through Thursday. We're closed on Fridays. So our billing staff can get things done and get things moving for the following weeks.
You know, for those that don't know, this building is much larger than it appears.
It
There's a
is.
lower level that faces, I think, down on 2nd Street.
Absolutely.
Yeah. There's quite a bit of room downstairs.
And we can certainly show you if you'd like to see it. It's 1949 retro. We still have the green carpet. We have the original can lights with the thick glass. Those are still on there. The bathroom has the old green garden tub. So
Classic.
everything is pretty much the same as when they put it together. So
Nice.
What happened to the gal that just leased this before you? Wasn't there a gal in here?
Sandra Zenor, but she
Wasn't
owned
there
it.
somebody else after that?
No, it was just Sandra.
Okay.
Yeah.
And she was an attorney.
Mm-hmm.
Yes, you were.
Yeah,
Her husband was a
Which lost your
photographer.
pal for a while.
I think so.
Flippy. I took
And I
her.
almost think that was one of his pictures. That's what somebody told me.
Oh, that's cool.
So I have that picture when we bought the office. So.
Lots of history.
And
Yeah.
who's this gentleman?
Yeah.
Oh, someone is peeking behind the corner. Here, come on through and introduce yourself.
My name is Chris Geezy.
Pardon?
Chris Geezy. I'm not from Rapids. So I come from Point every day. Or the days that I work, at least. So
What do you do here?
I'm a licensed professional counselor.
Wonderful. Great. Well, thanks for popping out.
You're probably analyzing all of us right now, aren't you?
Wonderful. Well, do you want to do
Does
the ribbon
anyone-
cutting then?
Sure. Let me find Tom, Dr. Charles. Her practicum in our internship. She's got one more internship to do, so she's leaving us for one internship.
Oh, well, congratulations on completing one. All right, Heather, how does that look?
You want to get a little closer to Hannah? Yep, otherwise I can see everybody.
We gotta squish together.
All right. Don't cut it yet. Holly, don't cut it yet. I'll tell you when, okay? Okay. Just keep looking over. Let's look at Ben. That'll be a good one. I'll let you know when to. Okay, on the count of 3. 1, 2, 3.
Yay! Nice. Very nice.